Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll show you how I make avocado toast. The ingredients I'll be using is unsalted butter, 2 slices of bread, I'm using a seeded rye, 1 large egg, salt and pepper, as well as red pepper flakes. In a pan, I melt unsalted butter, and I'm going to use this unsalted butter to help toast the bread. Feel free to use a toaster or a toaster oven if you'd like to toast your bread that way. Once the bread is toasted, I go ahead and remove it from the pan. You can't have avocado toast without avocado. What I'm doing here is slicing open the avocado, and I'm going to slice the avocado and place it on the bread. I'll also season it with some salt as well as ground pepper. To a pan that has been cleaned, I go ahead and melt unsalted butter. I add the cracked egg, and I'll season it with salt, ground pepper, as well as red pepper flakes. I'll cook it on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes, flip it over, and cook it on the other side for about a minute or less. Now that the egg is done cooking to my liking, I'm going to place it over one of the slices of avocado toast. I have avocado toast here 2 ways, one with a fried egg and one which is just a simple avocado toast. If you've made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed to A Taste of K, go ahead and do that now. In the comment section below, let me know how you like to make your avocado toast. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.